So here's a little look inside the platform for Roadmap 3.0. You might say, Darren, why are you showing us this now? Because they've got a brand new course coming out on the 25th of August. I get it, and I'm really excited about it. But listen to this. People who join the Roadmap 3.0 program right now before the 15th of August, you'll get grandfathered into the brand new Roadmap exclusive for no extra cost. So if you've been looking at this, now's the time. It's never been a better time. This program in itself is fantastic. You can get it for $497. Go to the link in my bio. And then you're going to get grandfathered into the brand new exclusive program as well for no extra cost. That new course, by the way, is going to be $597. So if you are looking at the roadmap, what are you waiting for? Because you're going to get all of this plus the new course when that's launched. And I haven't gone through everything here, of course, because I don't have the time to show you. The amount of information in the Roadmap 3.0 has blown my mind. If you're looking to start an online business and actually get into this field, this is a great way to start, okay? And why wait? Because you're going to get this and you're going to get the new course. I've just blown my mind how valuable that is. 2 for the price of 1, guys. Drop me 1 in comments if you want me to send you the details of this. But yes, you can go to the link in my bio and you can purchase Roadmap 3.0 immediately. Okay, and then when it's launched, you'll get access to the new course as well.